If you were wondering how to move your direct deposit to current, this video is for you. Moving your direct deposit to current is simple. There are 3 easy ways to deposit your paychecks right into your current account. The first way is the best way. Have current do it for you. Many major employers allow direct switching through current. To move your paycheck with our help, tap the direct deposit button on the Overview tab. From here, you can tap Find Your Employer and enter the automatic switch process. Make sure you have your payroll login details on hand. A list of some of our most popular employers and payroll providers will show up on the next screen. If you don't see your employer or payroll provider here, you can use the search bar. Once you've chosen your employer or payroll provider, you'll be brought to a login screen. This will bring you to the login for your HR or payroll provider and will require a password and multi-factor authentication. Once you've connected, choose how much of your paycheck you want to deposit into your current account. You will need to select a minimum of $200. You can select by percentage, amount, or your entire paycheck. You should see a confirmation screen after successfully switching. The second way is to do it yourself. Just use your account and routing number. You can find your account and routing number by tapping Details on the Overview tab, right below your spending balance. Or you can click into the Account tab and then tap Account Numbers. Please provide 2 numbers to your HR or manager and then ask them to deposit your next paycheck there. Additionally, if you can't find your employer, you can send them a pre-filled form. On the Setup Direct Deposit screen, tap Send Forward to Employer. Follow the steps to enter your employer's name and ensure your form is ready, including all of the information they need. Some employers might require additional information, like a voided check. You can find that in the Account tab underneath Payroll Deposits in the menu. Once everything is set up, your paycheck will arrive in your current account as soon as we receive it. When you set up your direct deposit with current, you get the most for your paycheck, including getting paid up to 2 days faster, a paycheck advance for up to $750 if you qualify, fee-free overdraft, and a 4% savings bonus. Switch your direct deposit to get started today. Thanks for watching.